Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss standard measurement, estimation and BOQ. Different people prepare the estimate different way, but many of us do not know the standard practice of measurement. In this video, I will explain the standard method of measurement and how to prepare a proper estimation and BOQ. So let's get started.
This is NRM2 provided by RICS, which is standard guide for the measurement and how to prepare BOQ and all complete guide for the estimation. Here you can see purpose of NRM2, detailed measurement of building work. They also support how to prepare BOQ, how to use NRM2. They are given the explanation. Structure of NRM2, details how to measurement of building work, purpose of bill of quantity, benefit of the bill of quantity, types of bill of quantity, approximate bill of quantity, preparation bill of quantity, and etc. They also provide the description of each item, so you can use this description according to your work requirement to your BOQ. So you no need to headache. What description should I put on your BOQ? According to your BOQ, you can search this NRM2 and you can find your description. For example, you can see my BOQ. I put it because my excavation depth not more than 2 meters, so I use this description. Excavation, I doesn't need this. 2, foundation excavation and not exceeding 2 meter deep, I doesn't need this. So you see, I just copy and paste.
Now going to talk about standard measurement.
Different people measurement different way. Take up from drawing or take up from field study. Now I'm going to explain the standard practice from the field study. Nowadays it is not used, but it is better to know what is the standard method. Then you can customize your way. Let's go to the explain standard method of how to prepare a BOQ. So let's go step by step. First step, you need to make a take-up list. What type of material and work you need to measure. You should at first make take-up list. We can see I prepared a take-up list: substructure work, excavation, situ concrete, formwork, reinforcement, superstructure, in situ concrete. It's like this. This is the one take-up list, because all the item I already have, whatever I need to be taken from the drawing. So this is the standard sheet for the measurement. You can see this is the number, this is length, width and height, and this is the summation. You need to write by green pen and put double line for understand this need to be calculated for summary. You can see this is total of excavation, that's why double line. This is total of disposal, that's why double line. Here supposed to be double line, but I mistaken. Also, I need to put the reference from the NRM2, which chapter it is, and also put a line to understand for partition each of the item. You can see I put the reference excavation NRM2 5621, excavation foundation, excavation not exceeding 2 meter deep. Where I get it? This is chapter 5. This is 6. This is 2 and this is 1. I also got unit. This is cubic meter. This is cubic meter. So I don't need to worry what is the unit for this. NRM2 already given. Similarly, I did superstructure work, pad foundation, reinforcement, fabric mesh, superstructure, see reinforcement. I put same reference from the NRM2 and complete my takeoff. Next step is make a abstract all of the item. This is the abstract. You can see I put summary of total quantity. This is the page number. You can see the page number 3 is total excavation 18.48. So this one also we use green pen, and we don't going to take same measurement 18.48. We will take 18 for our easiness. Similarly, you can see other item I summarize here. This is in situ concrete, grade 30, 20 mm aggregate used, and number 4 page 12.6 cubic meter, number 4 page another 58.30 meter, so total 70.90 cubic meter. We will take 71 cubic meter. This will go to the BOQ. Similarly, all the item is same. It's just summary from the actual measurement. This is another phrase. So we done our measurement. Now we are going to transfer total quantity to the BOQ. You can see the excavation 18 cubic meter. I transfer to the BOQ. So each of the item now one by one I just transfer to the BOQ. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any comment or question, please leave them below or mail us for more information. We'd love to hear from you.